everyone, Purnell here, Green Acres Sew Vac. So today I got the Juki DX-4000QVP Expert Edition, Kokochi Expert Edition, by the way, and Kokochi means good feeling. So here's our good feeling Juki machine. And some of the key features and highlights of this one in particular, we got 12 inches of sewing space. I love that, along with the features here: thread cutter, needle up down, lower your feed dogs, raise lower your foot, speed control, reverse. And then we got our 7-inch color touch screen with plenty of stitches to choose from: practical stitches, buttonhole stitches, applique stitches, quilting stitches. You know, plenty of fun there. This machine also connects to Wi-Fi, so we can pull up our different videos on how to do whatever we want to know. Plenty of support there. So with this being a special edition machine, we also got plenty of fun extras with this one. Before I get into the extras, if you don't like your big table that does come with it, we can switch it out for the standard tray. We don't have to use the big table if we prefer that route because of space. And with that being said, I'll just put the big table back on here. All right, so we got plenty of feet. Sewing 1/4 inch foot with a guide. It's one of them. There's quite a few others to pick and choose from in there. Straight stitch plate for quilting when we're piecing. And we also got a nice fun scissors set in here. Oh yeah, nice. A nice cover for our machine, nice hard dust cover. We can drop it right over there when we're not using it. And a trolley to tote our machine in. Very nice. We only have a couple of these left, so come see us at Green Acres. Phone number 660-465-7131 here in Memphis, 211 West Grand Avenue, Suite 4.